Hi, this is Web3 Cryptic, and permit me to do you the honor of showing you my privacy first crypto trading agent. I call it Zaygent. Prior to now, most crypto trading bots expose your wallets, your trades, and your holdings on blockchains for everyone to trace or track. So Zaygent actually comes in and actually flips that table, right? So as you can see on the background, the agent is up and it's doing that. I'll come tell you what this actually is. And so every trade is actually funded through a Zcash shielded vault routed through the crosspay that is modded on Zcash real Zashi crosspay feature using the near intent to settle out on either Ethereum network, BSC, or Solana. And this agent scans real market, checks for risks, trade autonomously, and also returns profit back into the same shielded vault. Just stay with me and let me walk you through how it actually works. But firstly, with this important step, we are going to get the mainnet proof of Zcash mainnet proof of our agent, right? So firstly, let's just come here and then yeah, so on our this section, let's just, I've already copied the command, so let's paste it in. And this is our proof that okay, yeah, so you could see the orchard pool, the chain supply, the sampling network, and verified it's true and all that. The current data was actually pulled out. So that's one Zcash mainnet proof, and the other one is going to our fund section, whereby okay, the deposit address, it generates real Zcash deposit address. So let's copy the address that's currently deposited now. There's a QR code section there you could scan to if you don't want to pull out the transparent address. So let's go Explorer, Zcash Explorer, and let's visit. Oh, sorry, it's come here rather. So let's paste this address we've copied. So here's another proof again, and this is actually generated from Zcash mainnet on its blockchain. Back to our agent. Back to our agent. So for transparency checkpoint, this what I call it now, let's see, yeah, for the sake of transparency, not everything here are real. Some are real, some are simulated, like the Zcash price is actually real, the market scanning is actually real market scanning, to not simulated and all that. Yeah, but that of the cross pay is actually simulated because we are yeah, it's actually giving us an idea of how this is actually going to be, and it's actually going to take a ton of work to execute this out there. So yeah, that is it. And so this is our agent running. How many circles it has run? 6 circles and 5 open positions, and they are there on different network chains here, BSC, Solana, and all that. And when there is a TP, it records it. When it's an SL, it records it. And this ZEC returns. And when the, yeah, this is actually a returns we get from our TP or yeah, SL, anyone, back to the vault. And the refund section is whereby maybe the transaction that didn't go through from the course pay section, it actually goes to carry out a refund back into it. And so here is our dashboard field and everything. You could see where there are live agents, when this was bought, when it was bought, and whether it's still holding and all that. That's the information about everything out here. And so let's show you the crossfit demo and how it actually works. So let's say we want to withdraw this. Let's change the network to BSC, anyone you want to. So just execute the crossfit, and you'll see shielded ZEC and near intent solving and delivering BSC into, yeah, delivering to BSC. And so it's going into BSC network as a shielded as USDC as a stable coin because of market volatility. So that was actually put into consideration. And so yeah, lastly, now let's come into the snipe section, whereby we would want to, like, let's say snipe a token, right? Because that's like a manual session. I'm just going to pull a wallet address, I mean a contract address rather. So let's just pull this guy, copy this guy, let's copy this guy, and let's go back to our this thing. And so immediately we paste this, is going to reveal the information about that token, look it up, give us the live market data, the current market cap, and also the liquidity. Either by we want to enable limit entry or limit order, want to put a limit order, we could actually put that and put the price below it, and then snipe and execute the snipe. And so here we're going to execute. This actually gives you option to trade manually, or you would want to use the agent all through too. So that's the essence of this for flexibility. So if we check here now, we could see this has been sniped, war has been sniped. That's what we actually sniped. They're coming here to, you see that okay, war was actually sniped, the token war was sniped at that price point and all that you get. And so down into the fund and withdrawal section, our withdrawal section still uses that same what do I call it now? Using it still uses that same cross pay model to actually withdraw out into a wallet address. So let's paste wallet address. I copied this. So let's paste this and withdraw. And you see it's using shielding Zec, near intent solving and delivering to the BSC. And that's basically how the agent works and what you would actually experience while using the agent. So this is what it is, and it's again a privacy first trading agent.